grade 6. Hope you are fine. Our lesson today is adding a random enemy. In our lesson today, we are going to identify how to add a random enemy. But let me first to remind you, what have we done the last session? We have started our game to make the frog touches the prize. And when it touches the prize, it will make a pop sound. Then we have added a maze. We called it a backdrop. The frog should move around the maze to get or to reach the prize. If the frog touches the black line, it will turn and stop. So in our lesson, we will continue this game to add a random enemy. Our random enemy will be a line. If the frog touches the line, the game will stop. Let us know how to do it together. First, we should build a script for the line. To make the line in a random location and make the game stop if the frog touches the line. Let us to see how to do it together. First, I will choose my random enemy. It will be a line. Then let me to choose the line. Here, then press OK. So I want to add a script to this line. So I should select the sprite line. Okay, make sure that you select this as sprite. Then what do we want now? When we start our program, I want to set the size and any something related to the lock. You can find it in blocks here. Then set size to I think 35, 33 or 34. Okay, 34. Then it will be a good size for the game. Then I will choose the forever because I want to make it in all the game. From the starting to the end. Then I will add waiting 3 seconds. To wait 3 seconds after starting my game, I can find it in control here. So that means the line will not appear until we spend 3 seconds in our game. 3. Then I will edit it to be 3. After that, I want to make the line in a random place. So anything related to the motion, I can find it in motion. We have chosen before a go to X and Y, okay? But in our enemy will be in a random place, not in a specific one. Here, it's a specific place. How to make this random? Or make the program create or generate random place or random numbers for X and Y. I will go to the operators and I can find here pick random, and this means that the program will choose a random place to put the enemy inside, okay? I will choose it, and instead of 107 I will put this one, and instead of -79 I will put pick random. So the program will choose a random X and choose a random Y here, like this. But we should select the range of this random number. We will make it minus 200 to 100. This is for X. Minus 200 to 100. And for y, we will do the same for y. Here, minus 150 and 150. Okay. This is the first step. And we have agreed that we will make the build a script for the line, and we have done that, and add a random location, and we have done that also. So we will make the game stop if the frog touches the line. Let me to do that. So anything related to the frog, we need to go to the frog sprite, choose the frog sprite. So here, I will add a logical test. Sorry, we have the logical test already here. If the frog touches the gift, it will play pop sound. I will duplicate it, put it here. We don't need this one. I will take it and press, then delete. And instead of gift, I will choose line. What will happen when when the frog touches the line? The program will stop. How we can stop the program? In control blocks, I can find something called stop. Stop all. Okay, and this means that the program will stop. Okay, now I want from all of you to create the game by following the instructions in page 104 and 105. Then please present this in a video and post it on the class dojo. I'll wait your answers to give you more points. Thank you for your attention. See you next lesson, inshallah.